But there's one problem. At a certain point, the audio went bad and I can't hear a thing he said. So when you said, him said, he must stab you up, no. There's no audio on the tape. And the camera is from behind him, so I can't read his lips.
Alright, my boss. That's what I'm going, man, you know? I'm me wrong, man. I'm me violate.
Bro, Max, you been doing really well, you know? The boy I used to call Sugarfoot was 2 steps away from the gallows. Then him start recording with you and all of a sudden it's like him off a bus well like a baby kite. When we do without you? When we say without you, you know if you can record from behind bars.
Maybe him thinking my Jackie or?
I swear, I can be a better man.
You think we should have cure him?
Just tell him, learn to keep him on to himself.
Yeah?
My apologies, darling. Curves them catch me, but I was wrong.
You're still wrong. What is about? Darling? Curves? You think our hills and walkers would this? This is my agent.
Alright, sorry agent. I didn't get your name.
I didn't give it.
That's cold. Deserve it, but cold. Romax, I can tell you something. In case you don't figure it out yet, if your weapon had been carried to FLA, all of this would be academic. It's just whether or not we all lock you up. But because I know you, I know what you've come through, I know that deep down you're a decent person. That's why your weapon is with me. Now here's how it's going to work. You're going to give me a really good reason for you to leave here today with it.
Alright, Father Mullins, hear the deal. If you hear anything remotely, anything close to what happened the other day, see, I will take that weapon myself to FLA. See? That's the deal. See me?
I tell you what, I can accept that. Pick it up in 2 days.
2 days, bossy.
You know, your principle. My agent still don't get a proper apology, you know.
Me secret agent. See? I truly apologize to you one more time. I'm sorry. See me? My actions were wrong again. See me, it's about the 4th time I tell you. But this time, I mean it. Alright? It won't happen again. Alright?
I like that. Let's sweeten the pot. Our boyfriend isn't here, so we have to include him. So he's going to take her to dinner at a really nice restaurant. No expense will be spared. And he's going to pay for it.
Alright, bossy. Consider it done.
So, we're done. Pro Max, we'll be in touch.
Well answered.
Mm-hmm.
One more thing. My name is Tonian. I'm a dance teacher in a community program. Who am I?
Copy that. Your secret good with my man.
You don't have a choice.
Seriously? Between me and you? I wouldn't want to be you.
bad gal, you a bad gal. You a talk with a freaky thing, whoa. You a make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, gal, is you my routine, baby. You go crazy, I my baby. So baby, put it on me. So baby, put it on me. So for the party, baby.